Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a very basic recipe for chicken broth or stock. So first you take a stock pot and add your whole chicken pieces into the pot. Then you have to cut up your veggies. They doesn't have to be any particular size. So first I'm cutting some celery sticks and then just throw them in the pot. Then I have some carrots. And again, I just cut the carrots in bigger chunks. Just take out the end part and then throw those big chunks of carrots into your stock pot. And then I have some onions which I cut in half. I just throw those onions in the stock pot as well. Now pour enough cold water to cover all your chicken and veggies. Too much water will make your broth taste weak. Then add your bay leaves, some peppercorns, whole black pepper, and then minced garlic. If you have a whole garlic pot, use that instead of minced garlic. Now cook on medium heat until it comes to a boil. Now lower the heat to medium-low and gently simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours, partially covered until the chicken is completely done. While it cooks, skim any impurities that rise to the surface and add a little more water if you think to keep the chicken covered while it's cooking. Then remove the chicken and strain the stock through a fine sieve into another pot. Now you can use the stock immediately or you can transfer into an airtight container, cover the lid and store this in the fridge for up to 1 week, or you can freeze the stock as well. And when your chicken is cool enough to touch, just discard the bone and shred the chicken and put the chicken into an airtight container for your future use for any other recipe as well. So here's my chicken stock ready. I'll be sharing a lot of recipes with you guys where you can use this chicken stock. Today I'm making chicken noodle soup and I'll share that recipe in a day or two for sure. So yes, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.